Okay, so we're gonna work on this puff here. So looking at it, obviously the top is very flat, so I want to just raise it up a little bit. So what I like to do is just take my hands, my clothes, and just kind of pull it up. That's a lot better. So it is now really, it's a lot more fluffier than it was before. It's not as flat as it was. Now, depending on you, sorry, I'm just like looking at my mirror here, but depending on you and how fluffy or thick or full you want it to be, you can go ahead and separate some more of your twists just to give it some more volume, more shape, if that's what you want. If you want it to be more defined, then you could definitely just leave it like this. I actually like it like this. To be very honest with you guys, sorry. Is this gonna be the end of my tutorial? No, I'm just gonna loosen up some of the twists. I'm gonna separate some of the twists so that you guys can see a little bit of the volume. As you can see, it definitely added some more shape, some more volume to my hair. But we gonna kick it up a notch, okay? We're not done here. We're gonna get the volume really pumping. So, to really get your high puff to be like amazing, you're gonna use a pick, okay? Like, you cannot go without a pick. Get you a pick, get you a hair pick, so that you can have volume in your life, okay? What you wanna do, just to not disturb the curls, is to really start from the base. So you're going to go all the way into your hair. So you're just going to go in and just pull up. Woo, look at that. Yes. Be very careful if you want to keep your curl definition. For me, I'm not really about the curls too much. I like the curls, but I want that volume. That's all that I really want. So if you want volume, then you can go ahead and disturb the curls. If not, then just pick from the bottom. Don't try your best not to disturb the curl. It's going to be really hard because you have to get in there, but try your best. Just elevated my game. Like, it just elevated me as a person. Now my hair is talking to God and I'm happy. So this is the end of my video. Like I said, it's fairly simple. You don't really need a lot. You just need a moisturizer. If you want to use a gel, you can use a gel rather than me using my Jamaican milk castor oil. But I feel like that is thick enough to really get my hair to sleek down at the back. You can use old tights or stockings. Get you a pick. It's very important if you want volume in your life. If you're more of that defined girl, then maybe you won't be needing the pick too much. But if you would like some just for some height, just make sure to go into the roots, pull up. Use your hands. Get you a boar bristle brush just to smooth it out and make it look nice. Thank you guys so much for watching this really quick tutorial. I'm just gonna bounce out of here because I gotta go to work. Stay blessed, stay beautiful. Love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Let's go. I gotta go. Is this thing gonna stay on? Let me just. Okay. You guys are good? Okay. I'm gonna go.